Hey, do you want an awesome QR code for your website? Then on QR Tiger, you can make an awesome QR code and track your data. Let's have a look how it works.
The QR code gives a digital dimension to your products and services. This matrix barcode serves as a key to unlocking data that leads to virtually wherever you want it to be. With QR codes, you have different solutions to choose from depending on the data you want to give access to. Just scan it using a smartphone camera, and it will automatically display the information you need. You can generate QR codes for your URLs, vCards, files, social media, restaurant menu, Wi-Fi, and many more. In the case of QR codes, there are two different types. It is essential that you know which one is more useful for your business, since QR codes can help you save money while boosting sales, increasing customer engagement, and spreading brand awareness. To start off, there are two types of QR codes, static and dynamic. A static QR code is permanent and fixed. The patterns are dense, which makes it hard to scan, especially when you embed a long URL on it. A static QR code does not allow changing of the embedded data once the QR code is generated. Because static QR codes cannot be edited, it is not ideal for when you want to correct some mistakes or embed a different URL. You also won't be able to track the data of your scans. Being able to track data from your QR code scans is a vital asset, as it helps you in collating data for business analytics. A QR code that's hard to read can affect your marketing campaigns, since it won't lead to the link you embedded on it. This leads to frustration for the scanners and results in them not wanting to scan your QR code ever again. If a static QR code can't do it, then what can? With dynamic QR codes, you can track data such as the number of scans, the time it was scanned, the device used for scanning, and the location of scanners. If you want to customize the way your QR codes look, you can do so by editing its pattern and eyes, adding a logo, setting colors, and choosing a frame. It is a great way of integrating the look and feel of your brand to your QR codes. With QR Tiger's added retargeting tools for dynamic QR codes, you can build smarter and more profitable ad campaigns. As if it's not enough already, you can also password protect your dynamic QR codes for restricted access on confidential data. And also, did we mention you can also edit your embedded data without generating a new code? How cool is that? When using QR codes for your products and services, dynamic QR codes are the smart choice. Its variety of convenient features are the ideal tools you need for your service and product's digital operations. It is especially helpful for when you want to make changes on your campaign. Edits can be done in real time, and it also saves you time and money, because you wouldn't need to reprint new QR codes. As one of the best QR code generators in the market, QR Tiger offers all these features and more. Head on over to QR Tiger to start your journey towards growth today.